Hi guys, so today we're gonna see how we can use a string data type in entity of Dynamics 365 CRM. Let us go to the field, click on the new, and here you can see single line of text. It is a string type of field. It can be as simple and calculated. We later differentiate between two, but as of now we will see how a text field can be used. A text field can be used like an email, a single text area to store remarks or URL. Ticker symbol is literally added by the Dynamics, and a phone number. So one by one we will use all of them. Let us create email. Okay, field requirement. In each field you will see this option. Optional means this field is optional if whether the user can enter it or can leave it. Business recommended means it can be a non-mandatory field, but it is the requirement of a business specific, or it can be mandatory for a business or to fulfill a form. And business required means it is mandatory for user to fill this form. Field security is used when we want a specific role to modify this field or to disable the right of modification for a specific role. We can allow a specific role to enter the value or leave it. Auditing means when we come to the auditing part in Dynamics CRM, we will see how a field is logged when it is changed. Description, we can enter email of the users. Appears in global filter means if I'll show you the funnel icon here this is the global filter. So that means whether we want to display this field in global filters or not, so we can check this once you will save, it will be activated. Sortable in interactive UI experience, so this will be helpful in dashboard part. So let us see. We will create a simple text. First is email, so it will create a email HTML content on the page. We will save it. Okay, it is created now. We will make this required, save and close. Create another field so that we can actually go all the field in one go. We will keep this optional. Field security we will not do. When we will come to the field security, I'll show it. Text field, save and close. New field, text area. We will also keep this searchable means here when you see okay, here these fields are available. If you will disallow searchable, then those fields will not be here. So to make it searchable, we need to select it here. Yes. New field, URL, ticker symbol. Here we can specify which type of symbol we want to append in our database. So the last one is phone number. So we are finished with the string data type. Let us see implement this. Here is our main form. We will create it. Okay, now by default it shows this panel, header, panel body and footer. You can design your form as you like by dragging and drop your contents. Here are some of the components provided by Dynamics 365 that you can use to design your form. Let us insert a 2-column width tab. Okay. Here you can change the property of the tab. Okay, this tab contains 2 sections. Change property. By clicking the change property, you can modify the details of the section. String section, okay, or string field, we will place them here. You can also modify here in how many rows it will be appeared. Okay, so you can see the remarks will got expanded to number of rows. Just save it. Okay, to modify form property you just need to click here, form property, go to display, and now okay, I created this field. Now save and publish. Okay, our form is got published now. Now it's time to see our changes. Save and close it. Click on the entity, and click publish. Now you will see, I hope you will be able to see here you can see FPL NOC units. Okay, here it will show you now. You can see here email, we made it mandatory. As you can see, you must provide a value for email. Okay, I'll enter an email, mobile number, okay. It can be and remarks. As you can see, it has expanded by itself. Save and close. Okay, name it. By default it takes one mandatory field for an entity, so name is that field. Save and close. Okay, in here we will see a form with the name NOC form entry is created. You will open it, select the tab, change property. Here are two more options, visibility and availability. Visibility means when the form is loaded, will this tab be visible by default or not. So if you will uncheck it, this field will be collapsed when the form is loaded. And availability, but if this form is available on phone device or not. Okay, thanks. We will cover the numeric field in our next section.